What's going on, guys? I'm back with another update for you guys, and I'm gonna talk about a couple more things today. I'm gonna cover XRP. I'm gonna talk about the bearish scenario for Bitcoin. I'm gonna talk about USDT dominance as always. I'm gonna talk about BTC dominance, where Bitcoin is just ranging within this pattern. And then I'm gonna talk about what it would look like to me for top of Bitcoin for this cycle if everything goes the same as what we can see in here. Okay, I'm going to talk about everything. So make sure to subscribe if you appreciate this kind of content. And I'm going to cover this XRP TA for you guys because somebody requested this technical analysis. I've been trying actually to cover this for a long time after this pump for XRP, which looks pretty good, but I'm looking at this as another pullback before going further down. Okay, no, I don't really want to offend anybody. I know XRP holders look at their coin, their favorite coin, different a lot of people. I don't mean to say anything negatively, but I'm just saying whatever I see in here. Okay, so I'm just gonna give you my honest opinion. All right. So in my previous video, I said that we're gonna probably get rejected around 66 to $67,000 area, where we were supposed to hold $67,000 area to go further up. So since we broke $67,000 area, which was almost around this area where we had the support before, but we broke it this time, I am expecting to have a little bit of trouble where we had this rejection before on this area. Okay, now, so if you look at the USDT dominance, and a lot of people, I need to let you guys know again, I'm holding a lot of altcoins. I've been telling my members to buy a lot more coins. So we are just accumulating a lot of altcoins, okay? And we know that anything can happen in this market. Even if we go down, we are still accumulating a little bit by a little bit. For each altcoins, that is my favorite. I'm looking at many factors. So if you guys want to know about these coins, you guys can join for only $10 a month. So it's nothing, okay? I honestly should raise the price for this, but these coins are going to have a good future, but they're not really moving for now. We had some rally for altcoin, and some of them did 40x, some of them did 10x, some of them did 5x. A lot of them are still holding it strong. Some of them did not do good, but the reason I'm telling them to buy, to not put, this is my advice to anybody, okay? Well, none of these are financial advice, but if you are my friend and if I want to I really care about you, I will tell you to not put all your money in one basket. Does not matter if it's XRP. If you think it's gonna go to $1,000, okay, just as an example, or Bitcoin to $1 million, I do not support this idea of only putting your money in one or two baskets. My thought is I would put my money into at least 10, 15, 20 different coins because we have seen a lot of coins pumping. With only $20 investment, you could have made $1 million, which we saw with Shiba, Pepe, Bonk, all those meme coins, or even other coins that are not even meme coin, they have other purposes. We have AI coins. But I'm just saying that you are raising your chance of hitting jackpot a lot more. Yes, you are putting less amount for in each, okay? But you are raising your chance. Even if out of 20 coins that you have invested in or 30 coins, even 10 of them go down, you still have a chance of hitting the jackpot for at least a couple of them, which will give you almost 100x or 200x or 1000x for your money, which is going to recover you for the money you have lost on those failed projects, and you're going to make a lot more money. So that's why this is my thought. This is my strategy for altcoins. So if you want to join, go ahead and join. I'm going to put the link in the description and the comment section, okay? Now, I'm looking at this so far, as long as there are ifs in here. A lot of people do not have the patience to wait. I am still expecting $50,000 to play out, okay? As long as we're not going above $67,000 and hold there, not a fake out, hold there for several days. And obviously, we need to break above this level, which I'm at least saying that we need to break above at least $72,000, because we need to break above the previous high that we made, although it was the lower high, but we need to make sure that we are getting above pretty strong, at least $72,000 to $73,000, hold the daily and close the daily candle, is stay above there, do a little bit of pullback even down to $70,000 and start going higher. And that will play out this to me. So I am looking at $94,000 to $95,000 area to be our top, less than 100K for this cycle. Okay, and if we really look at Elliott wave theory, we are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are shaping for our fifth Elliott wave theory wave. I am looking at the top of these two, and if you touch it and extend it, before I had almost $90,000 if we did not fail going up from here. So we started failing from here. If we started going up straight, we would have seen $90,000. So the reason I'm saying that we need to really make sure that we are having healthy pullbacks and we are filling all those gaps is because of this reason. Because we need to make sure that we are looking at these resistance levels that are slant shape, which if we go back and retouch those levels, they're gonna be another resistance for Bitcoin. Okay, so if we have another healthy pullback, even if we go down to even 30s and 20s, okay, we're gonna have a lot more space to go higher, because all those resistance levels are going to be weaker for us, because we are adding a lot more liquidity from lower prices. Okay, so when you're looking at this, all I can say is just below $100,000 to me. None of these are financial advice. Do your own research. But for this cycle, this is what I'm looking at. Okay, well, the predictions are very hard to do because we do not know where market is exactly going. Just for fun, I put this out there for you guys just to say, okay, if we have already completed our wave 4, we might just have our wave 5 if we get bullish for Bitcoin, and almost 94 or less than 100K would be the max we will go for this cycle. Okay, but we need to make sure that USDT dominance is still holding above this blue line. In my previous video, I mentioned the closed candles, but you guys can clearly see that we had these closed candles around this area and around this area, and continuation of it was this weekly closed candle, which was as red. But we did not hold it and we went lower. But it does not mean that since we didn't hold it one time, we're not going to be able to have a support from top when we go back on it. Okay, so far I said we need to make sure that we're looking at these two closed candles. We lost this so far for the yellow level, but for this blue, I'm going to show you this red candle you see is going to be the candle I'm looking at, that around this level we should get a support. And if we do not and close this candle almost right like this, okay, we need to make sure that if we go lower than this, that's going to be very bullish for Bitcoin. At least going down to 4.5%, which I covered in the last video. And if we get really bullish, we're going to probably go back and retouch this area, which is almost 3.7475%, which is the bottom of this base rally that we had before in weekly chart. Okay, so, and a lot of people look at TAs that think is just because I'm saying, hey, we need to do, Bitcoin needs to go to $50,000 soon, and they just think that it's going to happen overnight. You guys can see that we've been ranging for over 3 months and a half, almost 4 months around this area within these two lines, almost for over 3 months. So a lot of people thought that this pullback was the only pullback we should have only counted on. And we were going to just go make a new all-time high, start going higher. But what happened was, you guys see that there was another failure. So when you need to be patient, guys, in market, okay? I understand that a lot of people just look at the TA people as gods, but we're not gods, okay? We're just looking at chart and just tell you that what we are expecting. Okay, so but still I am not looking at this as a really good support area. That's why I'm saying that there is a huge possibility to even go out retouch $70,000. It depends on how high we go. If we go to $70,000 for USDT dominance, we are looking at bottom of this level. almost be 4.5%, as I said. Okay, so for XRP. So XRP, in my previous videos, I said that I am not really being bullish for XRP. We had a really huge pullback. So whoever, at least for short term, bought around 38 cents, and now they're taking profits. Congratulations. That was a really good profit taking. But you guys need to look at it. The range has been happening. I'm just not looking at these two lines even. Okay, I'm counting from here. From June of 22 for over 2 years, we've been getting a lot of hits to this white line. Okay, and we finally broke, and we need to just logically, if you want to really be logic about this, what you're looking at right now, I would say that this is just another pullback to go further down. Okay, we cannot say that, oh, this looks bullish, so we're just gonna continue go up. But you guys have seen a similar sharp green candle going up from almost 45 cents to 95 cents. That's over double of the price. But you guys see that it just kept going lower back to this level. Okay, so this is just another pullback. In my opinion, we need to make sure that if we are closing above almost 68 cents, or almost even 70 cents, that will be a very good indicator for us, at least short term, to tell us if we want to make another line from here. And it's gonna obviously not make that line for me, I don't know why, but we will break above the a lot of resistance level that holding XRP from going up. Okay, so we need to see at least 68 to 70 cents for XRP to say, okay, we are really bullish. But you need to make sure that we got too close to the area of a RSI and to the lowest part, and that's how we started getting pumped. And it was obviously around the level that we had a lot of support before. Okay, so this is another pullback in summary for me. And so BTC dominance, Bitcoin dominance has been just ranging within this rectangular shape. Okay, so you guys see we had a lot of hits up and down. I am still expecting Bitcoin to be the leader in this market. Okay, because as long as we're not going above previous all-time high and make a God candle, I am not expecting for altcoins to start pumping as a whole. Like all of them start pumping, and we see the real FOMO and real bull run for us. Okay, because USD Bitcoin dominance need to start losing dominance to give it to altcoins, so they start pumping. So far, I am still expecting. In my previous videos, I explained that these two levels of resistance will most likely reject Bitcoin dominance, which we saw this rejection around this area. Okay, now it is on the lowest part of this range and the support area, and I'm still expecting to start going higher. If it goes higher, I am still expecting 16.9% to be touched. So this will be another zigzag going up almost to 60%. And that does not mean that it's going to be bullish. I have explained it before. It does not mean that, because Bitcoin can be dropping, but altcoin just gets sell off. So it's still Bitcoin dominance percentage wise would lead the market, and it will still go higher. Okay. And so this is just covering Bitcoin dominance for you guys. And so far, this weekly chart looks bullish for Bitcoin. And we need to make sure that we are still, as I said, we are going above $74,000 to make sure that we're going to start at least go to $94,000. Okay, it depends on how slow and how fast we get to this level. And that will be the time, that will be the level I'm looking at. Another huge resistance and rejection level for Bitcoin, and that will be almost end of the 5 waves up for Bitcoin for elite wave theory. Okay, so but this is just a fun prediction for you guys, but I'm not saying that it's gonna play out. This is just, you're on YouTube just for fun and just look at uh, different opinions, and this is my opinion about the bullish scenario. Okay, but so far I'm still expecting to have a little bit of range under 67, $66,000 area, around this area, just go up and down. And if we do not break above, if we will easily go down up to almost $71,000. Okay, $71,000 could be touched if we go above 67,000. Take notes. Okay, so this is my opinion. If we do not, we should probably see another fake out, because this line, it will not probably hold it, and we will go down to $50,000 area. Okay, 50,400 ish will be the lowest point, and I'm really confident. None of these are financial advice. Not usually when you have this kind of range, I mean, this kind of move for a chart, when we have a bunch of these greens and we have this red and we have another green, bunch of greens, and we go pull back on top of it, this area is very, very, very good for a support. Okay, that's why I'm saying Bitcoin needs to hold above $50,000. Around 50, it can go even down to $47,000, $48,000 and go up. It depends on where it closes the candle. But we need to make sure that we are closing everything above almost $49,000, $50,000 area. And if we do not, that's going to be very bearish for Bitcoin. Okay, so far this is what I'm looking at. Let's see how the USDT dominance, this weekly candle, is gonna close. All right, this was another update for you guys. Please give this video a thumbs up. It does not cost you anything. Please support the channel anyhow you can, and I will actually start making design some t-shirts that Bitcoin logo on it, or Ethereum, or XRP, or anything that I really think that it looks cool. I'm working on my shop, and that will be a great way of supporting this channel. And I will let you know when it's done. I am also putting the link for Telegram group, the community, that you will see any updates that I'm posting or any extra screenshots that I'm putting. So far, I am only posting when in there and notify you when I'm posting anything on YouTube. But this, you guys go ahead and make sure that you just join in Telegram group and ask your question down below. And this is just another update for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.